Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK Unlimited Sport. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 engine and a 5-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black, looks awesome. You got that Jeep badging up front there with your lights there and your fog lights down there. They're very bright. You do also have your tow hooks right there, and coming all the way around to the side of the vehicle, you do have your Goodyear Wrangler brand tires with our rims, the 17-inch rims. They look awesome. You do also have your mirrors right there, and coming around to the back of the vehicle, you do have your spare tire in the Wrangler fashion, as well as your tow hooks down there. Now you can open this guy up just right here. Looks fantastic back here. Lots and lots of room. You can take that top off as always. And then you do also have just underneath the floor here, fold this guy up like that, and you got some additional storage. Got our key here and it is unlocked, so let's jump in and let's take a look. So on the door here you have your handle. You got another handle here, and you do have the manual windows, as well as you do have some stretchy stuff here to put some stuff in. Looks awesome in here as well. Very spacious. Looks very nice and is very comfortable as well. You do have the controls over the lights right here. So we got your your daytime running lights and your low beams, as well as you do have your fog lights and your high beam control there as well. Let's start her up here. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and odometer, as well as fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center it does tell us which way we're facing, the temperature outside, as well we do have the kilometers. Now we can switch that around to our average economy, our distance till empty, the ET. We also have our way we're facing. Now that is controlled from right here with a horn in the center and cruise control options right there. We also have our control over our windshield wipers. And then in the center we do have our display. So we have our clock, we have our seek options, AM and FM, our disc, aux cord, and forward and rewind. We have our CD player here with the eject. You also have your volume up and down with the presets, your set, and then your audio controls there. Some storage here. And right down here we do have our power up and down with our circulation. We have our temperature and our AC, and then our mode right over there. We have some traction control and our hazard lights down here, and a little bit of storage right here as well. And then you do have your control over your four-wheel there and your gear shift. You have your cup holders here and your parking brake as well. You do have a locking center guy here. It is an armrest, but also functions as a dual layer storage container. And you have your locking glove box right over here. Looks awesome. Let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. On the door here you got your handle. You got your other handle here. You got that same stretchy guy here, as well as your manual windows. Looks awesome back here. Very spacious. Seats 3 people all together. And then you can fold those seats forward as well, just right here, giving you even more room in the back to store stuff. Here's our 3.6 liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video of the 2018 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to one of our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.